What's up guys, and today we will be doing a pack opening. Yes, I saved up a lot of money and we are going to start this pack opening right now. First pack. Okay. My second sticker pack. Good. My third one. I've got diamond rattle wrap and gem rattle wrap in the same pack. Come on, get something good. Give me something good, give me something nice. And his ability, and his like special time, and crunch mode, yeah. I need computer scientist in all of this pack opening. I has to get computer scientist. Come on, I has to. Computer science is only one. It's one of the only things I need. And only things I need are all legendaries. That's the problem. Angry Dolphin Blaster, a red dolphin. Okay. Next pack. Okay, I think we should really speed run the packs now. The time left on the video is. Come on. Okay. I need more money, but I can promote characters. I can still get another pack. I can still open another pack. Yes. Ooh. If you're wondering, I'm not using my camera stand for this video because it's just no need for it. It's only like a few minutes. It's a pretty waste of time. So I'm holding the phone with my legs so I can actually do stuff. Oh, come on. Yes, I am mastering every single scientist, beginning from the worst. By the way, question mark, master. Look at that right there. Mastered air. But it's actually just computer scientist. And I'm not sure if I have a piece of computer. I haven't found that out yet, so I haven't got a piece of computer yet. Oh, that's my last pack. And nothing interesting. Sad. A very sad pack opening. We'll have another pack opening soon. See ya.